Welcome back to OTT. If you're new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the bell notification turned on so you never miss a video on this channel. So to start earning money on YouTube is easier said than done. So obviously the first thing that you need to know is you need to be knowing what you're uploading and you need to be consistent. If you've got those two things locked down, then you're pretty much set to go. So there's actually a few criteria that you need to be meeting to be able to earn money on YouTube. Number 1, you need to have a minimum of 500 subscribers. Number 2, you need to at least upload 3 videos within 90 days. And then you also need to be doing one of the following. You need either 3,000 watch hours on YouTube or you need 3 million views on the shorts. So once you have the subscribers, the uploads, and either one of the two at the end, either being the watch hours or the shorts views, that is exactly how you'll be able to earn revenue on YouTube.com. So if you've learned something new today, then make sure you hit that subscribe button with the bell notification turned on so you never miss another video on this channel. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next OTT video.